Taseer Almas Sperm Grow Course. Assalamu alaikum viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I will explain you about the course which name is Taseer Almas Sperm Grow Course offered by Taseer Dawakhana Private Limited. It is a special course prepared for the disease male infertility. In today's program I will brief you about what is Taseer Almas Sperm Grow Course, how it cures male infertility, why male infertility happens, its symptoms, reason of this disease, indication, male infertility types, complete detail about the sperms, quality and quantity. Viewers, first of all, we should know about what is infertility. Infertility is defined as not being able to get pregnant despite having frequent unprotected sex for at least a year. If getting pregnant has been a challenge for you and your partner, you are not alone. 10% to 15% of couples in the world are infertile, and there are several hormones which affect on a person for producing a child, like testosterone, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone. Luteinizing hormone is a hormone produced by gonadotrophic cells in the anterior pituitary glands. In males, when luteinizing hormone LH had also been interstitial sex stimulating hormones, it stimulates Leydig cell production of testosterone for male. The normal range is 1.24 to 7.8 international units per liter. If luteinizing hormones levels are below the normal range, it may indicate a pituitary gland problem. The pituitary gland may not be making enough luteinizing hormone, which may lead to low testosterone. Follicle stimulating hormone is a gonadotropin. A glycoprotein polypeptide hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, is synthesized and secreted by gonadotrophic cells of the anterior pituitary glands and regulates the development, growth, pubertal maturation, and reproductive processes of the body. Normal follicle stimulating hormone level in adult male are typically between 1.5 to 12.4 international units per milliliter. A high follicle stimulating hormone level in a male may mean to testicles are not functioning correctly, while low follicle stimulating hormone level in males may indicate problem with the pituitary gland in the brain. In general, the normal testosterone range in males is about 270 to 1070 nanograms per deciliter, with an average level of 679 nanograms per deciliter. A normal male testosterone level peaks at about age 20 and then it slowly declines. Testosterone level above or below the normal range are considered by many to be out of the balance. Indications: if you have been trying to conceive for more than a year, there is a chance that something may be interfering with your efforts to have a child. Infertility may be due to a single cause in either you or your partner, or a combination of factors that may prevent a pregnancy from occurring or continuing. There are two types of infertility: primary infertility and secondary infertility. Primary infertility is an inability to conceive a child after regular intercourse for at least 1 year, while secondary infertility occurs in couples who have been previously pregnant at least once but are unable to achieve another pregnancy. As per medical research, in 50 to 60% infertile cases, male have infertility problem. A number of causes exist for male infertility that may result in impaired sperm count or mobility or impaired ability to fertilize the egg. The most common cause of male infertility includes abnormal sperm production of function, impaired delivery of sperm, condition related to a man's general health and lifestyle, and overexposure to certain environmental elements. Viewers, semen producing testicles. Testicles are very important in sperm production. If testicles are not working well, then it makes a problem. There are two types of testicle disease. First one is hydrocele and the second one is varicocele. Hydrocele is a type of swelling in the scrotum that occurs when fluid collects in the thin sheet surrounding a testicle. Hydrocele is common in newborn and usually disappears without a treatment by age 1. Older boys and adult men can develop a hydrocele due to inflammation or injury within the scrotum. And the second is varicocele. A varicocele is the enlargement of the vein within the loose bag of skin that holds your testicle. A varicocele is similar to a varicose vein you might see in your leg. Varicocele are a common cause of low sperm production and decreased sperm quality, which can cause infertility. So viewers, now I will tell you about the sperm diseases. That are three types of sperm disease named as azoospermia, oligospermia, and necrospermia. The first one is azoospermia. It is a medical condition of a man whose semen contains no sperm. It is associated with infertility, but many forms are amenable to medical treatment. Azoospermia's main cause is infection. It includes pus cell in semen, blood in semen, or present bacteria. This condition does not have any symptoms. Azoospermia is further divided into two more types: obstructive azoospermia and non-obstructive azoospermia. Absence of spermatozoa in the ejaculate despite novel spermatogenesis. Obstructive azoospermia is a common urologic condition and accounts for 6.1% to 13.6% of patients presenting for fertility evaluation. Non-obstructive azoospermia. Azoospermia is defined as no sperm in the ejaculate due to a failure of spermatogenesis and is the most rare form of male infertility. Second type is oligospermia. This is a male fertilized issue characterized by low sperm count. Other aspects of the sexual health of men with this condition are typical. This includes the ability to get and maintain an erection as well as produce ejaculation at organism. Sperm count in your ejaculate can vary throughout your life. As I have explained, normal sperm count between 200 till 600 billion. So if a person has less than 120 billion sperm count, then he has oligospermia. This disease is because of infection in vein, physical disturbance, anxiety, and abnormal hormonal level. Now I will tell you about the third infertility disease, that is necrospermia. Necrospermia is a condition in which there is a low percentage of life and very high percentage of immotile spermatozoa in semen. It can be diagnosed by a semen analysis with vitality staining performed to determine whether the sperm are dead or alive and immotile. Because of this, men are unable to make a woman pregnant. There are some conditions required for pregnancy. 50 to 60% of active motile Good health is essential for both men and women. Male semen has normal sperm count. After every 72 hours, men should produce 1.5 to 5 milliliter semen. If a person is not meeting the given criteria, then he is not able to produce a child or make a woman pregnant. When a normal person ejaculates, then he releases 200 to 600 million of sperms. If he has 50 million or less than 50 million active sperms, then he is not able to produce a child. Viewers, a man produces 50,000 sperms in a minute, 72 million in a day. These sperms get mature in 84 days. Infertility may be occurred due to different sperm diseases. Taseer Dawakhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all diseases by using Taseer Almas Sperm Grow Course. Taseer Almas Sperm Grow Course, which is made with precious herbals and free from any side effect. Doctor and scientists of our institute, Taseer Dawakhana, work under the supervision of Hakim Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taseer. Qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and Hakim from prolonged research. Taseer Almas Sperm Grow Course is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. Taseer Almas Sperm Grow Course is prepared under a medical principle and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma Private Limited. Taseer Almas Sperm Grow Course cures azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, pus cell infection, hormonal level, maintain pH level of a person, increase the volume of semen, thickness in semen, sperm morphology, every type of infection and start producing sperm where person will be relieved from all infertility diseases. Increase HGH hormone level, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone and normalize the sperm count of infertile men so they become fertile. Taseer Almas Sperm Grow Course is a special course consists of 12 precious herbal ingredients so it provides some extra benefits. Taseer Almas Sperm Grow Course unique formulation contains safe natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina, self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow because the ingredient in Taseer Almas Sperm Grow Course is its highest quality and verified for purity. Their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient. As it is a multi-purpose course, it also boosts the sexual power of the person and improves physical health. Taseer Almas Sperm Grow Course has some special herbal those qualities to achieve the gain of centimeter in penis strength and especially the grip to help your confidence and sexual satisfying experience, which is specially prepared for those who are having erectile dysfunction, ejaculation problem, duration problem, stiffness, length and width problem with penis. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extracts. For better cure, avoid sexual relationship with partner during course and medication. Avoid eating potatoes, bean, beef, all spices and cold drinks. Use pumpkin, carrot, milk, mutton, yogurt, fresh food, honey, dates and fish. Don't put your laptop on your lap, it also affects your penis and makes you infertile. So why to do these things? Quit smoking. Tobacco has also multi-negative effects on fertility, not to mention your general health and the health of fetus. If you are smoking and are considering pregnancy, quit now. Avoid alcohol. Heavy alcohol use may lead to decreased fertility, and any alcohol use can affect the health of a development sperm. If you are planning to become a father, avoid alcohol and don't drink alcohol. Reduce stress. Some studies have shown that couples experiencing psychological stress had also poorer results with infertility. If you can find a way to reduce stress in your life, eliminate your infertility with Taseer Almas Sperm Grow Course and spend happy life with your complete family. So viewers, if you or your known person have any infertility problem, then come to Taseer Dawakhana and use Taseer Almas Sperm Grow Course which will cure all infertility disease. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.